You don't have to be a big influencer or even show your real name to start affiliate marketing. One simple way to stay anonymous is by creating a pen name and building your brand around that instead. A lot of beginners think affiliate marketing only works if you put your face out there or build a personal brand. But that's not true. You can set up a pen name, design some clean, neutral brand assets in Canva, and instantly look professional without revealing your identity. From there, just create a landing page under your pen name, start collecting emails, and promote products behind the scenes. It's a low pressure way to start earning without putting yourself in the spotlight. If you want to go even faster, the AI Faceless List Builder provides ready made templates, pre written email prompts, and funnel frameworks so you can launch campaigns that convert, all without a personal brand. For less than $20, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you everything to start faceless affiliate marketing today. Check the link in the description to get started.